Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Alia Batul. I hope you all are well fresh and doesn't getting bored because it is very interesting subject. Let's start with second part of lecture 6, that is on database languages and data dictionary. Okay students, what is database languages and data dictionary? Let's come on database languages. Database management system has appropriate languages and interfaces to express database queries and updates. Database languages can be used to read, store and update the data in the databases. A database language that communicates with a relational database can be divided into more specific languages, that are 4 languages. We can say in diagram and one by one detail of these languages. One is DDL. You can see in this diagram, this is database management systems languages. 4 DDL, DCL, DML, TCL. And let's see what is DDL. Database data definition language. DDL stands for students data definition language. It is used to define database structure or patterns. It is used to create schema, tables, indexes, constraints, etc. in the database. Using the DDL statements, you can create the skeleton of the database. Data definition language is used to create the skeleton of the database, and this language is used to store the information of metadata like the number of tables and schemas, their names, indexes, column in each table. Here are some tasks that come under DDL. One is create, alter, drop, truncate, rename, comment. Let's see one by one. First is create. This function is used to create objects in the database. Second, alter. Alter, as the name suggests, alter means change. It is used to alter the structure of the database. Third one is drop. It is used to delete objects from the database. As the name suggests, drop, delete. Alter, change. Create, new. Truncate. It is used to remove all records from a table. Rename. It is used to rename an object. Last one is comment. It is used to comment on the data dictionary. After this topic, we will see what is data dictionary. These commands are used to update the database schema. That's why they come under data definition language. What is DML, the second language of database language? DML stands for data manipulation language. It is used for accessing and manipulating data in a database. It handles user request. Let's see the tasks that come under DML, data manipulation language. Select, insert, update, delete, merge, call, explain, plan, log table. Let's see one by one. One is select. It is used to retrieve data from a database. Insert. It is used to insert data into a table. Data manipulation language is totally relate to manipulation of the database, means on the table, like select, insert, update, delete, merge, they all are the function of a table. So update mean updating in a table, insert mean inserting in a table, select mean selection of a database, deletion is deleting a record in a table, mean all are relating to a table. The third one, update. It is used to update existing data within a table. Delete. It is used to delete all records from a table. Merge. Students, delete के further types होंगी कि आप all data with using static जो है वो करना चाहते हैं delete, या इसके specific कोई record जो है वो हम next जाके SQL queries में भी देखेंगे कि किस तरह से हम data जो है वो delete करते हैं. Second one is merge. It performs upsert operation, that's mean insert or update operations. Insert and update दोनों को कंबाइन किया तो दिस इज कॉल्ड मर्ज. Call, it is used to call a structured query language, mean SQL language or a Java subprogram. Explain plan, it has the parameter of explaining data. Lock table, it controls concurrency. Third one is data control languages, DCL. This is stands for data control languages. As you can see, it is used to retrieve the stored or saved data. The DCL execution is transactional. It also has rollback parameters, but in Oracle database, the execution of data control languages does not have the feature of rolling back. Some tasks that come under DCL, data control language. Grant and revoke is the important task in the DCL. Let's see, grant is used to give user access privileges. As the name suggests, grant, permission granted, like permission granted. You can see user access privileges to a database. Revoke, it is used to take back permission from the user. Both grant and revoke are contrasting to a DCL. There are the following operations which have the authorization of revoke: connect, insert, usage, execution, delete, update and select. They all are related to grant and revoke. Transaction, last type of languages is TCL, transaction control language. TCL is used to run the changes made by the DML statement. DML mean data manipulation language. TCL can be grouped into a logical transaction. Here are some tasks. You can see commit and rollback. Commit, it is used to save the transaction on the database, and rollback, it is used to restore the database to original since the last commit. I think all four languages will be clear now. Let's come on the next topic, that is data dictionary. What is data dictionary? As the name suggests, dictionary. Dictionary means composition of containing different datas like metadata. See in the definition, a data dictionary contains metadata, that's mean data about the data. The data dictionary is very important as it contains information such as what is in the database, who is allowed to access it, where is the database physically stored, etc. These are the question. These are the important informations that is stored in the dictionary, data dictionary. The users of this database, students, normally don't interact with the data dictionary. It is only handled by the database administrators. These are the different data dictionaries types, like data types, database tables, views, type groups, log objects, search helps, domains, all are the facilities in databases. The data dictionary in general contains information about the following. कौन कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो डाटा डिक्शनरी के अंदर हो सकती है? You can see data dictionary use information about data and it communications with users. Data dictionary record of change in databases structure, determining the impact of change and record access control information, and also audit the information. Students, in simple words, you can say data dictionary is a repository of information that describes the logical structure of the database, and it contains record types, data items types and data aggregates, etc. Data dictionaries in some systems store database schema and can be used to create process database. Data dictionary contains metadata, as we discussed above. Metadata is the data about the data stored in the database. Students, there are different types of data dictionaries, like integrated data dictionary have two separate features, like active data dictionary, passive data dictionary, and one more type of data dictionary is freestanding data dictionary. Let's see dictionary, what information containing this dictionary. Names of all the database, the tables and their schemas. detail about all the tables in the database, such as their owner, their security constraints when they were created, etc. Physical information about the table, such as where they are stored and how. Table constraints such as primary key, attributes, foreign key information. In next coming lectures, we will see what is attribute, what is entity, what is keys, foreign keys, primary keys, and others. Information about the database view that are visible. You can see it in this diagram, a complex type diagram, but in next coming lecture it will helpful and it is easy to understand. What is a data dictionary, like types of data dictionary, integrated or freestanding. You can see these are the levels, like first level, user level, internal level, this is conceptual, this is in actually internal level. But in this where disk storage is here, in disk storage data dictionary is stored. आई थिंक इट विल बी क्लियर. थोड़ा सा ओवरव्यू दोबारा मैं दे देती हूँ इसका डाटा डिक्शनरी का. तो इसमें हमने ये देखा कि एक्चुअली डाटाबेस डिक्शनरी इज़ अ रिपोजिटरी ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन दैट डिस्क्राइब्स द लॉजिकल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द database. This is the logical structure. This is the logical structure of the database, and it contains record types, data item types, and data aggregates. These are indexes, data and record types, statistical data, dictionary or others, etc. So I hope कि ये दोनों टॉपिक्स आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हो गए होंगे. टुडे वी विल समराइज आवर लेक्चर लाइक डेटाबेस लैंग्वेजेस, DDL, DML, DCL, TCL and data dictionary. Thank you.